pertama di Kabupaten Buleleng terindikasi tak lancar membaca menulis.
Puluhan anak di Duri Kosambi, Cengkareng, Jakarta Barat justru mengalami putus sekolah.
Mereka berharap bisa ikut menjadi murid sekolah gratis.
Ternyata masih ada jutaan anak yang tidak bersekolah karena berbagai alasan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce ourselves. I am Shafira Rajab Nuraini as the presidential candidate.
And I'm Zahara Khadijah Adeno Putri as the vice presidential candidate. We are
Number 3. As you can see from the video with sound, the quality of students remains questionable. Education in this country is far from perfect. Much needs to be improved. The video shows students unable to count or read, and educational inequality persists. During the previous administration, the world of education did experience some change, but unfortunately, these were far from successful. The government often focused more on developing physical infrastructure, while the quality of classroom learning lagged. The constantly changing curriculum left teacher and student confused because it wasn't accompanied by adequate training. The educational gap is also increasingly apparent. Children in big cities can learn with modern facilities, but in remote areas, there are still damaged schools, a shortage of teachers, and even no internet access.
the plight of honorary teachers remains unresolved. Many of whom continue to receive inadequate salaries despite decades of service. International studies such as the planning for the implementation of Guideline teachers also show that Guideline students' literacy, mathematics, and science skill remain low compared to other countries. All of this reflect the fact that education under the previous administration was unable to meet the nation's major challenge. If these problems are not addressed immediately, the nation's future generations will struggle to compete globally.
Therefore, we candidate number 3 have a vision, mission, and work program that is adequate to overcome these problems. Here we have the vision to realize equitable, high quality, character based, and globally competitive children education to create the golden generation of 2045. And our mission 1. Equitable access to education, ensuring that every child, without exception, has access to free education from elementary school to university. 2. Improving the quality of teacher and education personnel, providing ongoing training, decent welfare, and technology-based competency development. 3. Curriculum modernization, developing a curriculum that is relevant to the needs of the times based on technology, innovation, entrepreneurship, and national character. And 4. Educational equity, providing scholarship and educational assistance from underprivileged students, high-achieving children, and vulnerable groups, people with disabilities, children from underdeveloped regions.
And lastly, we have work programs. 1. Make education free from elementary school to university. 2. Provide training for teachers, facilitators, and educational staff. 3. Provide full scholarship to high-achieving students who wish to continue their education abroad. 4. Build adequate educational infrastructure in remote and isolated areas. 5. Provide adequate facilities to schools and universities to support learning activities.
If we are entrusted to lead this country, we will dedicate our first 100 days to advancing our education. We don't want any more of our nation's children to drop out of school simply because their parents can't afford it. Education will be free from elementary school to university without exception. We want every teacher to receive the recognition they deserve, especially those who volunteer to teach in remote areas. Children in remote villages, mountains, and border areas should receive the same quality teachers as children in big cities.
We will also ensure that underprivileged schools have the same facilities as books, laptops, and free internet, so our children are not left behind in the digital age. And for those who excel and those who are less fortunate, we will introduce the One Child, One Aspiration Scholarship, so that no one's dreams are left behind. Education is the key to the nation's progress. If we entrusted with this responsibility, then within our first 100 days, the public will see tangible evidence that school is no longer a burden, but a bright to the future.
If any individuals violate the established provisions, whether involving external parties or within the education system, such as those proven to have committed corruption of education funds and of lack of transparency, we will take firm action, including dismissing them.
To prevent any untoward incidents, we will conduct routine checks every 6 months by sending a trust team to check whether education fund expenditures have been properly realized. If they have not been properly realized, we will take action by suspending the relevant parties.
That's all we have to say. Thank you.
And always support number 3,
New leaders for a bright future. Trust 3 to build the nation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.